The biotech industry would not be what it is today if it wasn't for Marvin. So first, Marvin, I want to congratulate you on being the inaugural recipient of the Merkin Prize. Your work demonstrates the type of innovation, the type of science and technology used in life science which impacts patients' care.
Dr. Richard Merkin, founder and CEO of Heritage Provider Network, joined Dr. Marvin Caruthers and other members of the team at the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard at a day-long celebration and gala dinner recognizing the importance of the Merkin Prize in biomedical technology.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Todd Golub, director of the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard, and it's my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the celebration of the Richard Merkin Prize in Biomedical Technology in Healthcare.
The prize is designed to honor not just technologies that are exciting in the laboratory, but technologies that have had some kind of impact on public health and clinical care. And now I'd like to invite the recipient of our adoration, Marv Caruthers, and Richard Merkin to the stage so we can give this award.
I'm extremely honored that I was chosen among a very large number of equally important colleagues who could have received this prize. It's a very high honor for me to have been selected for this prize.
Dr. Caruthers of the University of Colorado Boulder won the inaugural Merkin Prize in Biomedical Technology for developing automated technology for quickly synthesizing DNA that provided essential elements in the development of modern molecular medicine. These are used in genetic sequencing, drug and vaccine development, cancer diagnostics, and many aspects of basic biomedical research. Without his methodologies, working with genetic material to study human health, diagnose and treat disease, synthesize DNA and RNA strands to detect pathogens, manufacture drugs, and edit gene sequences would not be possible, paving the way for a genetics revolution.
The research that we're being recognized for, people almost worldwide in almost every biology or biochemistry laboratory use our chemistry in one way or another.
The Merkin Prize, which recognizes novel technologies that have improved human health, carries a $400,000 cash award. The prize was created by the Merkin Family Foundation and is administered by the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard.
We received nominations of over 50 interesting technologies, and of course, many scientists who contributed to the invention of those technologies.
Those nominations were evaluated by the selection committee, composed of scientific leaders from academia and industry in the U.S. and Europe, and jury chair Dr. Harold Varmus.
This prize is not just for today's innovators. I am hoping that this prize will impact generations of researchers in the future, and if that happens, then the goal of the prize will be satisfied.
At an afternoon science symposium, Merkin Institute fellows and other prominent scientists spoke about their innovative work.
We really want to introduce chemical synthesis, to introduce much more diverse chemical language into the design of mRNA therapeutics, which could have a really great potentials in many diseases.
Guests at a reception following the science symposium honored Dr. Merkin for his continued deep commitment to research and innovation at the Broad, giving scientists and researchers the opportunity to investigate and pursue their scientific breakthroughs and transform healthcare.
I've known Dick Merkin for many years, and he is one of the most original thinkers, imaginative thinkers that I know.
Dick Merkin has had this very, very unique focus on making sure that there is application for virtually everything is done. That's why the Merkin Institute here at MIT is focused on transformative technologies.
To establish this prize to really recognize the long arc of research done decades ago and all of the science and technology and industry and life-changing therapies and diagnostics that have happened because of it. It's very inspirational, and I think Dr. Merkin is to be commended for creating this really, really innovative prize at the Broad Institute.
In addition, Dr. Caruthers was applauded for winning the Merkin Prize.
The most important thing about today was really this celebration of the technology that makes all the science possible, that allows us to go from concept all the way into patients.
It really recognizes the body of work that he's contributed to this particular industry.
All of the developments around vaccines or diagnosis or sequencing, all of this was enabled by Dr. Caruthers' research.
I did want to just mention, Marv, how proud I am to be affiliated with you in any way whatsoever. You've literally changed the world.
Please join me in raising a glass to thank Dr. Merkin. Thank you for being such an incredible, treasured partner to the Broad Institute, to the scientific community in general, and indeed to society. Thank you.